Hi all, welcome back. In this video today we'll see some ultimate shortcuts with the using a control and shift. Let's see. First for control and we need to create for a use for a open new book. Control and is open for a new book, new workbook. Control O to open a workbook space. From here we can do creating a new workbook or save as or a print. We'll do one thing on the open workbook. Control S is used for a save of workbook, and Control P is used to print the doc or Excel file. Control W to close the workbook. For example, we have opened a new workbook. We press Control W to close the workbook. Control F to find something. For example, just press Control F and type close. Here we can see wherever the close is there, we can find from by using Control F. Control H is used for replacing. Just type Control H. I want to replace the close or else find with close. The close will replace with the find. Just replace close. Here we can see it was replaced with close. Now for Control Z, for example, if I type a new workbook here, if I press Control Z, it will be undo. That means it will be removed. If I press Control Y, again it will be get back. It will be called as redo. For a Control D, for example, I type 1. I want to fill in this entire thing, the entire selected column. What will just hold the Control key and drag it to the down and press Control D. That's it. It will be flash fills by using a Control D. Now for a shift key, we have some keywords, that is symbols. By holding a shift key, just press Control 1 for exclamation mark, shift 1 and shift 2 for at symbol, shift 3 for a hashtag, for number, shift 4 the dollar sign, shift 5 is for percentile, shift 6 is for caret sign, shift 7 for ampersand, shift 8 for asterisk, shift 9 for open parenthesis, shift 0 for a close parenthesis. By this we can use in a real time wherever it is necessary. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.